let's move on to the new executive order from President Donald Trump. And we have analysis from Aaron Slodov, friend of the show here. He says, this new executive order is a big deal and can supercharge U.S. manufacturing. It's the America First investment policy. It's a direct path to exascaling our industrial base, an idea I laid out in my Techno-Industrialist Manifesto. Here's how it drives American reindustrialization. It says, first, it creates a fast-track process for allied investment in critical sectors like AI, semiconductors, and advanced manufacturing. That means billions in fresh capital for new factories, strengthening the capacity layer that underpins real-world production. The policy also expedites environmental reviews for projects over $1 billion. That's great. Slashes red tape so you can move quicker. Crucially, it restricts adversarial investments in U.S. tech, farmland, and infrastructure. It further deters U.S. money from funding adversarial industries, notably China's military sector. This nudges capital back home.
Yep.
In my manifesto, Aaron argues that reconnecting tech with manufacturing is the key to renewed prosperity. Exascaling factories, advanced robotics, and a skilled workforce can't thrive without the capital and policy support this order provides. Imagine factories that manipulate matter at blistering speeds using AI, automation, and advanced machinery. The big picture goal here, outproduce our rivals, protect national security, and spark a manufacturing renaissance. For years, the post-industrial myth drained our manufacturing talent. Now we have a chance to reignite the spark. This EO is a potential catalyst. And so lots of excitement from the hard tech folks around this EO.
Yep.
And yeah, I mean, this was something that we had talked about in just trade negotiations of maybe when Trump was kind of saying, hey, maybe I'll get rid of carried interest and really put the screws to VCs. I said, hey, oftentimes Trump opens with a really crazy proposal and then backs off of it. Maybe this is giving him leverage to say, look, I am going to get rid of carried interest if you're investing in our adversaries.
Yeah.
So if you invest in a
just
startup,
internationally, this is the whole America First investment policy.
And so it could be a situation where, you still get the tax treatment on American companies, but not on international companies. And so this could be a policy that kind of takes shape that way. Do you have any comments on Aaron's post?
Yeah, I just thought this was super validating for the work that Aaron and Austin have been doing on the new American Industrial Alliance. So they've been working on this in connection with the Reindustrialized Summit, which we've talked about before on the show. So yeah, they were super early here. People like Josh Steinman were super early here. All of this stuff. And this is why a lot of these guys were very excited about the new admin, just given, they felt like JD Vance, if you look back and the topics that he's cared a lot about, American manufacturing, bringing back jobs that were, taken overseas. It's cool to see this policy play out. And again, with executive orders, I mean, we certainly don't discuss politics on this show, but it's unclear what they actually will turn in. These are not laws. They're sort of guidelines, right? And so it will be up to other lawmakers to actually turn these into real policies that can, real laws that can actually be executed against. But great to see. I like the sound of it.
Yeah, lots of potential. Hopefully it goes well. And good luck to Aaron and the team over at Atomic and everyone else who's building hard tech in America. We'd love to see it.